hold your.
Go, Alice! You did it! And that's the Tarzan. All right, we're on our way up to go zip lining. Alice, trail is really well maintained. This is actually paved. It's nice. Don't fall. Can't even see the end of this one down there. It's a long one. All right, it's my turn. Here I go. And here comes Alice. Woo! Woo! You're a professional now.
Excellent. You wanna go in front or behind him?
Behind him.
Yeah, we are about halfway through the zip line course. Now it's a 5-minute walk. It's a huge area, huge property. We're also going to go over some swinging bridges. This is a sloth sanctuary and a butterfly garden. They said you don't see many animals though, because they don't like the sound of the zip lines. But I'm sure at night the jaguars use this path just like we are. Made it up? Inclines. These trees are massive. You can't even really see the top of them. Look how wide that one is. We're heading up here, all the way to the top. Everything's big in the rainforest. Big ferns, big leaves. All the trees are covered with moss. One thing I highly recommend you bring when you come to Costa Rica. Oh, I lost Alice.
What an incline.
I highly recommend you bring a full rain suit. It's got a top and a bottom. I highly recommend you bring that. Especially in the rainy season. You can get the Frog Tog brand at Walmart for only 30 bucks. You know, or you can go all the way up to 100, 150 for the higher end stuff. Frog Tog also has high end stuff, but it's a must. How you liking zip lining in the jungles,
So
the
much
rainforest?
Fun. I'm loving it. It's different.
That's an amazing looking tree there. It's like a palm tree. It's actually a fern. It's just a giant fern.
Interesting.
You feel good?
Yeah.
See you later, Alice.
Bye.
The backpack you see there, that's the Superman backpack. That's for doing something called the Superman. Now this is pretty cool. This zip line allows you to team up and do a couple or a team zip line, and it's a long zip line. You can't even see the end of it down there. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. See you later. All right, we're up next. You ready? I'm sitting down here on a log while I'm waiting on Alice. I think she's having flashbacks of Mount Kenya. Pole, pole.
The incline is never ending. Coming from Florida,
Yeah.
16 feet elevation,
We're probably at 4,000 feet elevation here.
and I'm carrying a backpack. Technically walking in a sweatsuit.
It's fun though.
It's fun. So much fun.
Yeah, this is by far the best zip lining experience here in Costa Rica. There's Alice again. We've done zip lining up in the mountains, zip lining in Florida. Going through the rainforest in the rain is just totally awesome. All right, we're almost to the next zip line. I think we got about 2 or 3 more to go. That's the zip line. That is a big fern, at the top of a fern. We are now on the Superman platform. Just did the Tarzan.
Ready for the Superwoman.
He's strapped in and ready to go.
Are you ready for the Superman ride?
Ready to die.
Able to leap buildings in a single bound. Faster than a speeding bullet. I'm the Man of Steel.
All right, let's see you do it.
Lay down, lay down.
Now watch me Superman that.